How to add WhatsApp button in Instagram profile. For this, open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon. From here, you have to go ahead and tap on the three-line icon at the top and go to your settings. Now select account. Scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Here, tap continue to all of this. Now select any of the category that you desire and then tap on done. Now, in this option, you have to select business, then tap on next. Then you have to go ahead and add your phone number, so go ahead and do that and tap on next. Go ahead and skip this part. Also skip this part for later. Then tap on edit profile. Now at the bottom you will see WhatsApp business phone number, tap on it. Then go ahead and add your business number that is linked to your WhatsApp, then tap on send code. Then once you are verified, you will find your WhatsApp button on your Instagram profile. Isn't it simple? So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.